Namaste. I am an Indian and I am not ashamed of my Indian accent. India is my country and there is no other country on earth that is as beautiful as this land for me. India is heaven on earth for me. Whenever we take up a work, we move from point A to point B. The point A is usually the point of slavery and the point B is usually the point of freedom. जब भी हम कोई काम अपने हाथ में लेते हैं या कुछ भी समस्या भी हो ज़िंदगी में, हम हमेशा एक बिंदु A से लेके दूसरे बिंदु B तक का रास्ता तय करते हैं. इट इज़ अ जर्नी, ये एक यात्रा है. फ्रॉम स्लेवरी टू फ्रीडम, फ्रॉम गुलामी टू आज़ादी, फ्रॉम गुलामी टू आज़ादी. जब भी हम कोई प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं तो एक बिंदु से लेके दूसरे बिंदु तक हमें रास्ता तय करना होता है. ये बिंदु पॉइंट ए होता है और ये बिंदु पॉइंट बी होता है. ये स्लेवरी का पॉइंट यानी गुलामी का पॉइंट और ये आज़ादी का पॉइंट यानी फ्रीडम का पॉइंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, उदाहरण के लिए, आई सिंपली डिड नॉट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट वीडियो एडिटिंग. That time I was at this point A, that is a point of slavery, and I felt very bad. I kept asking people, help me, teach me, help me, teach me. Nobody helped. Somehow, after many days, I have traveled the distance. I went through so many things. I reached point B, a point of freedom. Yes, now I know. I learned it all on my own. So I am free now. So I moved from slavery to freedom in learning video editing. मुझे वीडियो एडिटिंग बिल्कुल नहीं आता था. तो शुरू में सबसे मांगते थे मदद, किसी ने मदद नहीं किया तो वो एक गुलामी टाइप का एक फीलिंग होता था. पर बहुत मेहनत के साथ, लगन के साथ ये दूरी मैंने तय किया, पॉइंट बी तक मैं पहुंचा. आई लर्नड वीडियो एडिटिंग. मैंने वीडियो एडिटिंग सीख लिया. तो अब मुझे बड़ी आज़ादी सी फील होती है कि हाँ, यस आई नो वीडियो एडिटिंग. इन द सेम वे वी कैन लर्न लैंग्वेज इन अ ईजी वे, not in a boring way, but in not even fun like science is fun. No, not like that. Just practically knowing some interesting things in an easy way. भाषा भी इसी तरह से सीख सकते हैं, एक कठिन तरीके से नहीं, बहुत आसान तरीके से. कम वॉक विथ मी, आइए मेरे साथ चलिए. Now for today's grammar. There are some more helping verbs or auxiliaries you need to know. You just need to know. No need to by heart. It's good to remember them in time. And these are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, and ought to. Yes, the B family, which has the auxiliaries which you already learnt in the previous episodes, edition 1 and edition 2. I have given the link below in the description box. You can refer to it. you have already seen the other auxiliaries or the helping verbs is, are, was, were, am. In edition 1, the link of which is given below, and you also saw the helping verbs or the auxiliaries do, does, did, has, had, have. In addition to, the link of that episode is also given in the description box below. So the be, that small word be, it has many forms, and these words can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought to. These are far relatives. You can consider them as far relatives. Right now, no need to learn them. We'll just set them aside. In this, only these two we will again need. So you add on two more words, will and would. All these are auxiliaries. What you learned today, they are the modal auxiliaries. What you learned in the previous two editions or episodes, they are the primary auxiliaries. So that's all for the grammar today. Suppose someone asks you, how many days in July? Oh, how many days in July? Oh, how many days in August? Or how many days in March? Are you going to be referring to the calendar each time? No, you need not do that. You can learn a poem. Yes, you have to by heart this poem. It goes like this. 30 days are September, April, June and November. That's it. These are the months that have 30 days. You don't have to do this, how many. You don't know from, I'm going to come from here, I'm going to come from here. So it's better to learn this poem. 30 days are September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31, excepting for February, which has 28 days clear with one more every leap year. That's it. You have the whole calendar with you. You know which month has 30 days, which month has 31 days, and which month has only 28 days. But when will February have 29 days? So that's it. For today's conversation part, it's a very, very important thing. This is so important. When we meet a person, it's easy to greet. It's also easy to strike up a conversation. But suppose you have to leave immediately. You need to be very polite. Don't hurt people by saying, I want to go. Don't do such things. Or, sorry, please. It takes just 1 or 2 minutes to speak some kind words and take leave of a person. Don't be rude to people. If you are not able to continue a conversation because you are busy, you should politely take leave of that person. You can do it in this way. I'm glad to have seen you today, but I'm afraid I have an appointment now and I've really got to be going. Or you can just say, it was nice meeting you, but I'm in a hurry. I guess I did better go now. Yes, that's it. Here's the idiom for today. A bed of roses. There is a similar one to a cakewalk, a bed of roses or a cakewalk. Both of them mean very easy. Learning English is not a cakewalk. Learning English is not easy. But if you put your heart and soul in it, you can learn to speak English well. A bed of roses again means easy. But you cannot use this in the same sentence like we used for the word cakewalk. But you can use that for something bigger, like life is not a bed of roses. So there is a slight difference between these two idioms, though they have similar meaning. That's it for today. Now, how can there be language learning without word meaning? Okay, so today we'll take up the word subscribe. People do not seem to be knowing the meaning of the word subscribe. So I will teach you the meaning of this word. लगता है लोगों को सब्सक्राइब वर्ड का अर्थ पता ही नहीं है, तो चलिए हम आपको बताते हैं कि सब्सक्राइब का अर्थ क्या है। ये ऐसा चिन्ह देखा होगा आपने। ओके, तो ये इसको ऐसे दबाते हैं। चलिए स्क्रीन पे मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। ऐसे इसको दबाया तो जैसे ही हम इस YouTube का चिन्ह दबाते हैं तो ये खुलता है। So the moment you click on YouTube symbol that you all know, you come to this like this. Yeah. Now just below the video there is a symbol. वीडियो के ठीक नीचे एक सिंबल है, एक बेल का आकार है। बस उसको क्लिक करना, उसका वो होता है सब्सक्राइब. Just pressing that bell icon, that is only subscribe. We all show off as if we have so much technology knowledge, but see, most people do not know what is subscribe. बहुत लोग घमंड करते हैं कि उनको टेक्नोलॉजी का बहुत मीनिंग आता है, बहुत सब कुछ पता है, पर सब्सक्राइब करो बोले तो समझ में नहीं आता. अब आपको समझ में आ गया कि क्या करना है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.